In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox folder with anyone. This process is straightforward and will help you collaborate effectively. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You will see several search results. Look for the official Dropbox website link, which is typically the first result. This is important because accessing the right website ensures you are using the official service, keeping your information secure. Once you find the correct link, click on it to navigate to the Dropbox homepage. Next, you need to log into your Dropbox account. On the homepage, you will see the Login button in the top right corner. Click on that, enter your email address and password associated with your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login process. Logging in is crucial as only authenticated users can access and share folders. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Dropbox dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. Now that you are logged in, hover your mouse over the file or folder you want to share. As you do this, you will notice a few options appear next to the file name. This step is essential because it allows you to select the specific content you want to share. The hover action also helps you identify which file you are working with. Make sure you have the correct file before proceeding, as sharing the wrong file can lead to confusion. From there, click the Share button that appears next to the file. This button is often represented by an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Clicking this button will open a pop-up window with sharing options. This action is a key step as it initiates the sharing process and allows you to choose how you want to share your folder. Once you click the button, the pop-up window will provide you with further instructions. After that, if the link hasn't been created yet, click Create Link at the bottom of the pop-up window. This step generates a unique link to your folder, which makes it easy for others to access it. Once the link is generated, you will see the option to copy link. Click on this and the link will be saved to your clipboard. This is important because the link is what you will share with others, allowing them to access your folder without needing a Dropbox account. Finally, paste the link into an email, text message, or chat to send it to anyone you want to share the folder with. You can do this by right-clicking in your message area and selecting Paste, or pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard. This step closes the loop as it delivers the link directly to the intended recipients. They can now click the link to access the folder you shared. Sharing a Dropbox folder is a simple yet powerful way to collaborate with others. You have successfully completed the steps to share your folder. Remember to verify that the link works and that your recipients can access the content. If any questions arise, feel free to refer back to this guide. Happy sharing!